Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I made this prop that looks like there is a head inside of a jar. So the first thing you're going to need is a jar, a large jar. Here you can see that I'm using an old pickle jar, and then we're going to take off all of those stickers and then wash off the adhesive. Once you've got that done, you will print off your picture. I just found one on Google Images, and you're going to trim it up so that way it'll fit inside your jar. Then you'll roll it a little bit so that way it'll fit inside your jar, and then stick it in here, double check, make sure that it fits okay. And then once you've figured that it fits just fine, we're gonna go ahead and take it out and we're going to laminate it. So we're going to put it inside a laminating sheet and then we will run it through our laminator. And once we have finished laminating our sheet, we are going to again trim it up. And the reason that we run it through the laminator is so that way once we add these soaps, it won't ruin our picture. Here you can see the assortment of soaps that I've used. And then here you can see about how much I've put in of each. I definitely used more of the red and the yellow and a little less of the green. So I filled my jar up to the top, and then you can see on the bottom how the soap hasn't come completely in front of the picture. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take a butter knife here, and then I'm going to stick it in the top and just kind of wedge it between the photo and the jar and pull the photo back a little bit so that way that soap has a chance to seep in front of that picture there. So that way it looks like the head is really immersed inside this liquid in the jar. And now that we have that done, it is time to add our lid. You can paint it black or a rust color. And then here you can see I've got it set up on this bookshelf for our haunted house. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video.